Okay, so let's look at singular nouns and what a noun is altogether. So a noun is a thing, something with a name, a place, a date, a time, an object, a person, and beyond, a city, an item, and beyond. So nouns change depending on how many there are. So pen, pens, book, singular one, wallet, one, watch, one, pen, pen, just pen, board, board, camera, camera. Very nice. So proper nouns refer to specific names, dates, places and months. So we could say then England. England is in Europe. And we capitalise the first letter. We'll make it big. Not small, make it big. So E, England, capital. Is in Europe, capital. August. A month, capital. Is in summer, capital. Season, summer. Today is Tuesday. We could even say Tuesday. Tuesday. Well, today is Wednesday. So Wednesday, a date. Wednesday. Very nice. So specific names. So Adrian, Jessica, Sophie, and beyond. Adrian, capital A. Dates, we have Tuesday. Places, England, Europe. Months, August. What are we in now? November. Capital. Capital N, capital W, T, E, A, and beyond. Very nice. So singular nouns, just one. One pen, one board, one watch, one wallet, one book, one camera. One camera. Very good. Let's keep going.